Ripple Pro lawyer John Deaton issues dire crypto forecasts. By the way, whale suddenly transferred XRP worth $103.2 million to an anonymous wallet. Finally, we will be discussing if the court verdict will decide if cryptocurrency should be seen as a security or commodity. To learn more about all these, kindly stick to the end of the video. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag XRP. The winner will be announced on December 15th. Crypto law founder John Deaton believes that the final and most aggressive push to shut down crypto might soon be witnessed in the wake of the White House's statement on mitigating risks associated with cryptocurrencies. "We will soon witness the final and most aggressive push to shut down crypto," Deaton wrote. The White House published a statement titled "The Administration's Roadmap to Mitigate Cryptocurrency Risks" on January 27th. The statement reads, "We have spent the past year identifying the risks of cryptocurrencies and acting to mitigate them using the authorities that the executive branch has." The legislative guidance provided by the administration called on the U.S. Congress to step up its efforts. For example, Congress should expand regulators' powers to prevent misuses of customers' assets, which hurt investors and distort prices, and to mitigate conflicts of interest, the document further stated. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has increased its clampdown on the cryptocurrency market under the leadership of Chair Gary Gansler, who was appointed to the post in April 2021. As it is, the SEC is attempting to broaden its claim of authority, as Gansler has repeatedly stated that the agency intends to be the primary regulator of the U.S. crypto market. Gansler believes that nearly any other crypto token aside from Bitcoin could be a security and has pursued some recent actions. Ripple is currently in the midst of a legal battle with the SEC, which alleges that the $1.3 billion sale of XRP constituted an unregistered security offering. Ripple executives expressed their views on cryptocurrency regulation at the start of the year. Among these, General Counsel Stu Alderete anticipates the judge's ruling in Ripple's SEC lawsuit in the first half of 2023, and one that is favorable to Ripple. He believes this will be the catalyst needed to push the U.S. crypto industry forward and to stop businesses from offshoring their crypto work. An unknown wealthy investor sent an undisclosed address a whopping 253.5 million XRP coins worth $103 million, according to Whale Alert. The transaction happened about 15 hours ago. The receiver address was generated yesterday by an unidentified crypto user. The assets are still present, according to data from top XRP explorer Bithump, and the recipient address has a balance of 253.5 million. At the time of writing, the transaction's reason is unknown. Along with the previously mentioned transaction, a top whale tracking service for cryptocurrencies also discovered another huge XRP transfer that took place the previous day. 160 million XRP coins worth $65.5 million were transferred by an anonymous whale to an unspecified address yesterday. These trades further highlight the cryptocurrency whale's rising interest in XRP. It is important to note that wealthy investors have persisted in demonstrating their rising interest in the cryptocurrency connected to Ripple. Recently, crypto whales moved more than 600 million XRP coins in just 2 days. Given that the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is almost over, it is not surprising to see crypto whales take a big interest in XRP. The verdict of the lawsuit is anticipated to have a significant impact on how much XRP costs. The price of XRP would rise if Ripple prevailed. The coin's value will, however, plummet in the event of an SEC victory. Investors are relying on recent statements made by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, despite the fact that it may appear difficult to predict the outcome of the lawsuit. Garlinghouse expressed his optimism that Ripple would obtain a favorable verdict against the Securities and Exchange Commission to a news publishing company at the World Economic Forum in 2023. Surangil S. Whips Jr., the president of the Republic of Palau, stated in December 2022 that the country's IT specialists had been looking into the idea of developing a national stablecoin utilizing Ripple. According to the president, it will raise the standard of living for Palauans and diversify the island nation's economy away from tourism. After the 2021 bull phase, awareness of cryptocurrencies has greatly expanded. By adopting blockchain and cryptocurrency, nations of all sizes are attempting to digitally alter their economies. Others are attempting to develop their own central bank digital currencies, while some central banks are focusing on stablecoins, CBDCs. Now, down to the main discussion, where we will be taking a deep look at everything that concerns the XRP versus SEC court case, and also some hidden truth that no one will want to tell you. So guys, stick with me to the end of the video to learn more. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. SEC versus Ripple is an open court case in the United States Southern District Court of New York that could decide the future of cryptocurrency regulations and determine if it is a security or a commodity. It may be decided in the first half of 2023. In 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, alleged that Ripple, the blockchain developer and creator of the XRP cryptocurrency token, raised more than $1 billion in 2013 through the sale of XRP in an unregistered security offering to investors. Ripple, relying on the previous comments of an SEC director to support its case, argues that XRP should not be treated as a security. Why is the SEC versus Ripple case so important? The SEC versus Ripple case sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency sector when blockchain projects had been operating with little regulatory oversight. There had been fears of future regulatory action, but this was the most high-profile example of a securities regulator targeting an initial coin offering. If Ripple loses the case, it could open the floodgates for similar actions against other crypto projects, likely leading to tighter regulation of the industry. The SEC's argument is that Ripple's ICO, and, by extension, other ICOs, is the sale of a security that must be registered. Victory in court would effectively make the SEC the main crypto regulator. The world currently awaits a ruling by Judge Annalisa Torres. The SEC charged Ripple and two of its executives, Brad Garlinghouse and Christian Larson, with selling unregulated securities valued at more than $1.3 billion to the public over the years via their company-offered XRP. Included in the SEC filing were transactions from 2013 through late 2020, which accounted for more than 14.6 billion XRP sold in return for cash. The SEC said Ripple never filed a registration document, which is a requirement for companies in the stock market when they are seeking to raise capital from the public. The regulator complained in the lawsuit that Ripple had created an information vacuum and only shared information that it felt necessary. The outcome has large implications for both parties and the broader crypto market. The SEC wants to bring the cryptocurrency industry under its regulatory umbrella, and a win against Ripple would start the ball rolling. Ripple would likely face a hefty fine, but there could also be further action against key executives. All of this could impact development at the project. What does the Ripple suit mean for cryptocurrencies? In September 2022, SEC Chairman Gary Gansler said that many cryptocurrencies are securities. That was backed up by proposed legislation from U.S. Senators Cynthia Lummis, Republican Wyoming, and Kirsten Gillibrand, Democrat New York, in June 2022, which seeks to designate most cryptocurrencies as commodities. If that bill becomes law, then the SEC would oversee the broader sector and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission would handle the trading and derivatives aspect. Is XRP a security, and what other cryptos will be classified as securities? Based on the Howey test, the most important issue is whether the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission classifies the investment in XRP as a contract where profits are derived from the efforts of others. This is a gray area at present due to the decentralized aspect of cryptocurrencies. The SEC has already launched investigations into the BNB token of the Binance Exchange and the ApeCoin token that backs up the ecosystem for Bored Ape non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The SEC is looking across the board at token launches, and a win against Ripple could open the floodgates to further action. In a nutshell, the end result of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuits could change the regulatory outlook for the entire crypto industry. It is clear that the SEC is looking to be the chief regulator for the industry, and the move against Ripple is the first step to classifying all tokens as securities. If Ripple loses the case, the SEC could bring fines to a large number of crypto projects. For Ripple, a loss could negatively impact the project and its executives and open the door to a stricter industry environment. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.